In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram call-ended problem on iPhone. So if you're trying to call someone on Instagram using your iPhone but you're frequently getting call-ended, then here's how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was another fix Instagram call-ended problem. Before you do anything, swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system, or even you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data, or if you're still using mobile data, then switch your network to a stable Wi-Fi connection and try calling on the Instagram again. And right after that, open up the App Store from your device and then simply go ahead and search for Instagram. Go ahead and tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And then get back from here. If you found that you still have the same problem, then all you can do, you can open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on General here, and then scroll down, tap on iPhone Storage. Now go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you get the Instagram app, go ahead and tap on this, tap on Offload app, tap Offload app, and lastly just go ahead and tap on Reinstall app. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from the Instagram. This will just reinstall the Instagram application to your device. This will take a little time, and once you're done, most likely your problem is going to be solved. And after doing all this process, if you found that you still have the same problem over and over again, then here's the last guide that you guys can do. Simply go and press and hold the Instagram application like this, and then go and tap on Remove App and tap on Delete App and delete the application from your device and reinstall it from the App Store and log into your account and try calling on the Instagram. And most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.